Hello everyone, welcome again to GIS ePathshala. So today we are going to start our exercise 2.5 question number 7. So question number 7 is that evaluate the following using the suitable identity. So here we have to use identity and find out the answer of the following question. So first one is that 99 raised to power 3. So power is given 3. So in place of 99 we have to write down 100 minus 1. So let me write down in place of 99 100 minus 1. So we can write down like this: 100 minus 1 bracket power 3. So now the identity we have x minus y all raised to power 3. So let me write down the identity over here. So this identity we are going to use over here. So here a minus b is in the bracket. So if we remove the bracket, then it will be minus 3a square b minus become plus 3ab square. Okay friends, so it is x minus y all raised to power 3. Expandable form is this. Now same, if x plus y raised to power 3 is there, so we can write down x cube plus y cube plus 3 x square y plus 3 x y square. Sorry, here I write down ab, but here not ab, it is x and y. Okay, so this is the equation x minus y all raised to cube or x plus y all raised to cube. Now here 100 minus 1. So 100 is our x and 1 is our y. So how can we elaborate this? So we can write down like this: x cube means 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3. X square means 100 square. Y is 1 plus 3. X means 100 and y square means 1 square. Now 100 cube means 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100. So we can write down minus 1 cube is 1 minus 100 square is equal to 10,000. So 10,000 multiplied by 3, so 30,000 plus 3 multiplied by 100, 300, and 1 square is equal to 1 only. Now just simplify this all. This one is plus and this one is plus, so take together. So these both are minus. Minus 1 plus 30,000. Now just simply add these both. So we can write down 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so we can write down like this, and this minus become plus. So if you add these two, so you will get 30, 0, 0, 1. Now subtraction of these both number. Let me do the subtraction of this both number. Here I am just doing the subtraction. Here the 0 is there, so we take to borrow from here 2, 9, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. 9, 2, 0. Here 10, 9, 0. 10 minus 3, 7 and 9. So answer will be 9,70,299. So this is our answer. So this way we can find out the cube of the following number. Now in the question number 7, another 102 power 3. So in this we have to do 100 plus 2 and power 3, and then we have to use this equation and we have to find out the answer. Same in question number 3, 998 is there. So 998 is equal to 1000 minus 2. So 1000 minus 2. So think we have to use x minus y whole raised to cube this equation, and we have to find out the answer. Okay friends, so this way you can find out the answer of any two numbers and all raised to cube. We have to use the identity, this identity. Now let me start question number 8. So in question number 8, instruction is that factorize. So now in our factorize, we have to use same equation. First of all, what we have to do? We have to just observe the question, observe the sum. What is the question is given? So the question is given 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So you can say that this is already in form of expanded form. Okay, so it is already in expanded form. So now you just see this. So it is in expanded form of a plus b all raised to cube. So means it is in form of this x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, x cube means 8a cube. So 8 is a cube of 2 and 2a. So 8a cube is a cube of 2a, b cube is a cube of b. Right? Now 3a square b. So 3a square b. So we can write down like this. 3a square. Our a is 2a and our b is b. So if you expand this, so it's 2 square is 4a square and b. 3 4s are 12a square b. So we will get this one, right? 3a square b. Now 3ab square. 3. Our a is 2a. Our b is b square. 3 2s are 6 ab square. So we got it. Yes. So we can write down direct answer like this. It is the expanded form of 2a plus b all power 3. So it is our answer. Okay friends. Direct we can write down like this. Now let us see question number 2. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So same as we do question number 1, same question number b, sum number b, but here minus sign is there. Okay, so 8a cube. Okay, here our x will be 2a. If we do the cube of 2a, so we will get 8a cube. Our y will be minus b. Why minus b? Because here minus sign is there and power is odd. So our y will be minus b. So now 3a square b and 3ab square. If you find out 3x square y, so we will get 3. Our x is 2a and our y is minus b. So we will get 3 to the 6ab minus 6ab. Sorry, here 4 square is there. So 4a square and minus b. 3 4s are 12a square b. But 12a square b is minus. So we will get here minus 12a square b. And our next term is 3xy square. 3xy square. So 3. Our x is equal to 2a and our y is equal to minus b square. So 3 2s are 6a minus b square is plus b square. So we will get here 6ab square, 6ab square. Here we will get minus 12a square b, minus 12a square b. So we can say that it is the expanded form of 2a minus b all raised to power 3. So this is our answer. So same question number 1 and 2 both are same, but in this both here plus sign is there and in question number 2 minus sign is there. Now friends, question number 3, 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. So we can say that same, it is expanded form of x minus y cube. Okay, here our x and y. So our x is 27 is a cube of 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So our x will be 3 and our y is equal to here 125. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So y will be 5. But here minus sign is there. So our y will be minus 5a. Okay friends. So now let me find 3x square y and 3xy square. So let me find 3x square y is equal to 3. Our x is equal to 3 square and y is equal to minus 5a. So 3 square is equal to 9. 9 3s are 27 and 27 5s are 135. So minus 125a. 135a. So we got get it? Yes, we get it. Now next one, 3xy square. 3 our x will be 3 and our y will be minus 5a. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are sorry here square is there. So 3 3s are 9 is there. 9 and 5 5s are 25. A square. Now multiplication of these two, so you will get 225a square minus 225a square. So here square is there, so this minus become plus. So here answer will be 225a square. So we get here, so we can write, we can say that it is, this one is the expanded form of 3 minus 5a all raised to power 3. Okay friends, let me see question number 4. So question number 4 is the same, 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b 108ab square. So same, we can say that our x will be 64 is a cube of 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So it is 4a. Our y will be minus 3b. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So we got our x and y. Now let me find our 3x square y is equal to 3 4a square and y will be minus 3b. So 3 4 4s are 16, a square minus 3b. So 16 3s are, if you multiply 16 multiply by 9, 3 3s are 9, 16 9s are 144, 144 and here sign is minus a square b. So we will get it, yes. Now let me find out 3xy square is equal to 3. In place of x we can write down 4a and our y will be minus 3b square. 3 4s are 12a and minus 3b square. So 3 3s are 9b square. So 12 9s are 108 ab square and it is a plus. So we got it, yes. So we can say that this is the expanded form of 4a minus 3b all raised to power 3. So this way friends we can solve the sums from identity to expanded form or from expanded form to identity. Sum number 5 is same that we already solved in the previous sums. Here 27 p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. So here let me find our x and y. So our x means this is a cube of 3p and our y, it is a cube of 216 is a cube of 6. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. So our y will be minus 1 by 6. Now let me find 3x square y is equal to 3x square means 3p square y minus 1 by 6. Now we can cut because they all are in multiplication. 3p square, so 3 3s are 9p square minus 1 by 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. We can write down like this. Now here 9 upon 2 p square, minus sign is there, so minus sign, minus 9 by 2 p square we got to it. Now 3xy square. 3 or x will be, and y square is equal to minus 1 by 6 square. 3p minus 1 by 6 multiplied by minus 1 by 6. 6 6 are 36. So it's a 1 by 36. And here minus is there, but power is even. So minus minus become plus. Now let me cut down these two. 3 3s are 9. 9p 1 by 36. So we know that 9 4s are 36. So it's 1 by 4p. So we got it here. So we can say that this expanded form, it is 3p minus 1 by 6 all raised to q. So this way we can solve the questions and answers. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.